Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to another video. So today is week 3 of the check-in, and now that is going to cover the 15th through the 21st. Now I'm just going to tell y'all I did not do good like I did last week, but it's fine. Things happens every week and you can't predict it and things come up. So before we get started, let me know down below if you do videos like these, weekly check-in, budgets, grocery haul, anything like that. I will be more than welcome to go and check your videos out. Go subscribe. Let me just tell you, the past couple of weeks, I've been subscribing to a ton of people and just following their journeys and just talking with them and everything. And it's just super excited. And I just wanted to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel, who keeps coming back. And for my new subscribers, welcome. I hope y'all stay around and follow my journey also. But we're just going to get right into this video so it won't take too long. So as I said, that this is going to run from the 15th through the 21st. All right, so on the 15th, we went to Best Buy with my fun money. And we bought a new lighting, a vlogging light that my boyfriend wanted for his gaming. I try to use it in my room for lighting, but it wasn't that great. So he decided to just keep it, and then I am just going to look up on Amazon. Cami, my friend here from Simply Cami, she actually told me some lights that she used, and I'm super excited about them. I'm going to have to save up and buy it, but it's fine. I'm super excited about getting new lighting soon. But we went to Best Buy, we bought the vlogging thing. It was only $10. Originally, it was supposed to be like 30 something, but his sister works there. So they get a really good discount at Best Buy. So super excited about that. Before I move on to the 16th, I am using the Erin Condren. I forgot to mention that. It is the 8.5 by 11, so it is the biggest planter that you can get. Absolutely love it because it just, big font and everything, I can just read it better. The stickers that I'm using are from Simply Cami. I will link her stuff down below. And then I also have a little cheat sheet that tells me everything that is, which sticker is which, so that actually helps me out a lot. Alright, so moving on the 16th, we went grocery shopping. We went on Friday because I actually have to work that weekend. So before I went back and took a nap, we went grocery shopping. We spent $29. And if you haven't seen my haul, that will be linked down below also. Okay. I hope you are having a great week. I'm actually having a relaxing week because I got off on Monday, so I was just been relaxing. The 17th, I had to buy some snacks for work. So that's actually going to come out of groceries also. It's going to write snacks. And that was $10. I thought I bought enough snacks from Walmart, but yeah, apparently I didn't. Alright, so that is everything for the 15th, 16th, and 17th. As you can see, I literally only spent one thing each day, I feel like. Alright, moving right along, let me just shift over my calculator and everything. Alright, so on the 18th, there was a no spend day. It was a no spend day. So I'm going to use my no spend stickers, and this is actually my last one. There should be some new ones coming out. I should be getting some new ones in the mail. I think probably tomorrow when y'all are watching this, but this is my last one. It's a no spend, so that's actually super excited that I've spent nothing on a Sunday, so pretty good. All right, on the 19th, I had to get more gas, so that was $15. All right. And that is it on the 19th. Now on the 20th, I hung out with my friend and everything. We went shopping. I bought some Halloween decor. So we are taking that out of, what was that? Oh, I had first, let me see. I had to get a baby shower gift, which was for one of our mutual friends that I hung out with. So that's actually coming out of sinking funds. So I'm going to say baby shower. And that actually came out of the gift one. So that's $15 that I spent. All right. Let's see. And then then we went to TJ Maxx and I bought a Halloween decor, which was $25. And I bought some like other cute little things, but I took that out of the cushion, which is blue. Let me go flip. Let me make sure. Yeah. Which was $21. I thought it was $25, but it was $21. So cushion is going to be this blue one. So I'm going to say cushion. And that was $21. Okay. That is going to go under here. And that is everything on the 20th. Now, on the 21st, let me see. I went to Walmart. I got a ton of towels, which is pretty funny because they were like $11, but my boyfriend works at Walmart, so it was on clearance already for like $7, and then he dropped it even more to like $1. So I bought like 12 towels. I bought a cast iron skillet because he wanted it. But I used my fun money on that one. Let me see how much it was. All right, so for the Walmart haul that I got with the towels, it was where is it? Fun money. That's what I did a blank on what color this was, but it's my fun money. And I'm just going to write Walmart. And that was $25. All right. That was like a really good deal that I got, like, for sure. And I absolutely love Pioneer Woman, and he has stuff that he's going to mark down for $1. So I'm going to go and buy that stuff on Friday, most likely. All right, you guys. So that is everything that I bought. So literally, I only bought one thing each day, except for on Tuesday. It's still good. I mean, I didn't go overboard, but it's fine. All right, let's move to our check-in. Then we're going to grab this cash envelope, which is the Dave Ramsey. I got this because I am a Financial Peace University member. I have access to the community. I can take classes if I want outside at like a church or anything else, or like a home or something like that. You also get this for free. If not, they are like $20 on the Dave Ramsey website. And this is just the envelope that I use every day for my cash envelope. So I have groceries, gas, fun money, and out to eat. But I love this envelope. If you would want one of these, I will link that down below also. I do not get any money for it. I just believe in this system and I absolutely love it. All right, so I forgot to write all of this down, didn't I? All right, so while I'm writing this down, what else has been going on? When you are watching this, I already started school, psychology. I am actually a week ahead because I don't want to fall behind, and it's a lot of chapters I need to do, so I plan on trying to be at least a week or two ahead. Don't know how that's going to work, but super excited about starting school. Going to try to get that nursing degree. But let's finish this video off. So for groceries, I had a balance of $46. And we did $29 and $10. So that is $39 that we spent. So let's do 46 minus 39. Should be $7. And we will check that in a second. Gas, we spent $15. Yep, just $15. I spent more. I'm guessing I'm trying to refer back to the other week. But we're supposed to have $40 from last week. That was $25 left. Fun money. We did $10 and $25. So $10 plus 25 is actually, I went a little overboard. Well, so that is fine. Let's see. Spent, so if it's 32 minus 25 and then minus 10, -3. So it's fine, you guys. It's fine. Things happen, like I said. But alright, out to eat. We did not do any. So that is 3 weeks in a row I have not eaten. Haven't eaten out or anything. So super excited. Alright, sinking funds is $277 and I spent $15 for a baby shower gift. $262. Oops. Messed that up. Don't know why I just scribbled that either. No, it's messing up. I need to get a new one of these if it keeps messing up. Alright. So the balance is $262 and I spent $15. Alright, and then cushion we spent $21. So that equals to $0. Alright, you guys. Besides that mishap on the fun money, we're going to check how much is in our, make sure our envelope matches our check-in. Alright, so for groceries, I should have $7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, and then gas, I should have $25 left. It's 20 and 5. And then I think I only have coins for the fun money. Yep, that's all I have. We're going to put this in our little jar that I have that has coins I'm going to be putting in every week. Alright, you guys, so that is it. So this is my weekly check-in. I hope y'all enjoy it like I enjoy it. Next time you see me, we will be stuffing our cash envelopes and our sinking funds. If you're new, then I absolutely love those videos. Those are my favorite videos to film, so I hope y'all will come and join me. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you go and subscribe down below so you won't miss any of the videos coming up. And I hope you are having a great week. Hope you are going to have a great weekend. I'm going to have to work again, but it's fine. So anyways, I will see you guys later and y'all have a blessed one. Bye.